If you install the iOS 26 beta and want to go back to the regular version, here's how to remove the beta profile without using a computer. First of all, go to the Settings app on your iPhone. After that, scroll down and tap on General. Again, scroll down and tap on VPN and Device Management. After that, on the Configuration Profile, tap on the iOS 26 Beta Software Profile, then tap Remove Profile and enter your passcode if asked. After removing the profile, restart your iPhone. This ensures the changes take effect. Now your device will stop receiving beta updates. When Apple releases the next official iOS version, you can install it normally through Settings, General, and Software Update. And that's all. You've removed the iOS 26 beta profile from your iPhone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.